Hey guys, this is another video about tribal. So I'll train my friend Simon. Say hi. Okay, so opening us like that. Okay, you got a bow. Okay, Simon, I'll teach you how to play. Okay. First, you should do this.
First, I have to eat three because I'm gonna poop.
Free, bro, free.
Oh, just kidding. It was kaloko.
So I'll teach you how to double jump. Okay,
Double jump.
yeah, you first have to pick bow, yeah, bow, and daggers, and fist, and warhorn. Okay?
Warp stone.
Warhorn.
Oh, war horn.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Are you done picking? Okay. First, hold your bow. Hold your bow. Hey,
Oh, sorry.
you have to do this. Simon,
It is auto eating, bruh.
turn it off.
It's auto shooting, right?
Turn it off.
How can I
Okay. This is the second step. Go to settings
for settings? All these.
and wait, let's see. Yeah, there you see scroll down. Do you see auto shoot in your screen?
What?
Do you see auto shoot in your screen? Share your screen, share your screen. Click settings and click the settings again. Okay. Scroll down. Scroll down when you find auto shoot.
Auto shoot. Where's that thing?
Did you already scroll down?
Yes, this the last. Look, this the last one.
Yes. Go. Do you see controls?
Only see cross here.
Never mind. Okay. Again. Okay. Let's play now. Just don't look at me. Okay? Just don't look at me. Okay. First, you have to jump 2 times. Look, hold this, hold the ball, and do this. Okay, now can you do this?
What?
Do this.
How?
Just spam jump with the ball, and switch to daggers, and switch to piece. Hold the bro. Hold the ball. Double jump 2 times, and do the same with the daggers.
This one? Wait, dito.
Like this. I'll show you a magic trick. If I personally kill you. First, let me kill you, Simon. Let me kill you first. I'll show you something. I think you guys heard of this. Simon, don't let me out. Okay, look at this. No, MS Pop.
How? How you do it?
Wait, wait.
Yes.
Simon, we have to be on the training lobby. On the training lobby. Okay, I'll join you again. Okay? Okay. Nakasunod na siya. Yes. But mine's different. You see this? So it's right. Nakatulog na sa ganun. Okay, first step, go here. This the Simon. This is the first step. Click assault rifle, handgun, fuse and grenade. Handgun and grenade. Okay. First step, I will show you how to grenade jump. Hold the grenade. Wait, do like this, like that. You just have to, no, you just have to throw it. Okay. First, our second step, you need to aim, you need to increase your, improve your aim. Okay, just wait, stay there, okay, stay there, okay? Okay, listen. Dad! Okay, hold your grenade, do like this. And you, you are not gonna, you have to hold it, not throw it, not to hold it, not throw it. Dad, okay, okay. You need to practice your aim. Okay, stand there. Okay, just wait. Okay. I will move, okay? Okay, I'll be here. Okay? Okay, okay, okay. I'll teach how to dodge net. Okay, you know how? You have to slide. To dodge the enemy's shooting, okay? O, Simon? Okay. So after this, we're gonna 1v1 and you have to use the training that I gave you, okay? After this, we're gonna 1v1 and we're gonna 1v1 that I taught you, okay? Okay? Okay, let's 1v1 now. And, any weapon. Simon, here. Outside of the trade shooting range. You can use that 2 if you want to. Okay. Okay. Ready? Ready, steady. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, this the best of three. Best of three.
Wait up, no.
Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Ba.
Bro, you simple to, bro.
Huh? Bro, you mess up the video.